I was going through online when I saw this thing yesterday that Oyo APC chairman Omodewu is dead. Now, the death is not what caught my attention. Where did he die? Now, it reads that the chairman of the All Progressive Congress APC in Oyo State, Isaac Omodewu, is dead. The state publicity secretary of the party, Wasiu Sadare, confirmed this to our correspondents in a telephone chat on Monday. He said the chairman died after a brief illness in the United States of America. That is my point, why I really want to talk about this. How long will our politicians continue to die abroad? Ike Kuremado wanted to treat her daughter abroad through the kidney issue, and he's there in the prison. The other man, they said whether he died in the hospital or he died in the hotel, I don't know. He died in abroad. This one APC chairman, ordinary APC party chairman, can't treat himself in Nigeria. Any small thing, they will fly abroad. I want Nigerians to borrow sense. These people don't mean well for you. They will build hospitals that they will not go to, because they know that all these hospitals are substandard. They will build schools, they will never allow their children to go to the schools. They know that either the school is not safe or the school is substandard. If these people are treating you like a human being, what you are going through today, you won't go through these things, because their children are not going through what you are going through. I want Nigerians to borrow sense, because we clap for politicians who are at the same time eating up our future. Most politicians don't mean well for us, but it's so unfortunate if I see our old women tying wrapper for them, dancing for them. Most of these politicians you see, they are after next election. They are not after your future. They are not after what happens to you, your security. I reported about 20 medical students who were abducted. If it is in America or in Israel, the whole nation will be on fire. They will declare war on the people who abducted them. But only thing Tinubu could do is to jet out of Nigeria with his new aeroplane that arrived in Nigeria yesterday. I want Nigerians to borrow sense, because at the end, we all are going to suffer for this. I want Nigerians to borrow sense and draw a bottom line between you and with your politicians. Your politicians is not giving you accountable. When did your House of Rep give accountable on how he's using the, what is it called, constituency project? Your Senate uncle, your House of Assembly in the state uncle. What happens to your local government chairman? What happens to your governor? I want Nigerians to borrow sense. Look at this man died in America. How many times have you been able to afford the medical bill in that quack hospital they built for you? But regardless of the situation of the hospital, you can't afford the bill. But they themselves will always go to abroad. They themselves will always go to other part of the world, enjoy themselves at the detriment of your future. What is the salary of a senator? Why should a senator be richer than a businessman who is training fish in Nigeria? Tell me, how come? How come somebody who is a commissioner will be richer than someone who is doing driving, running from Onitsha to Lagos? It shouldn't happen. It should not happen. There is no way a senator or House of Reps is supposed to be richer than someone who is doing a taxi driver in a same world. How much is your salary? For God's sake, if you are earning 1 million, some taxi driver made 1 million in 2 weeks. Some made 5 million in 1 month, 4 million in 1 month, 3 million in 1 month. So the hard work is supposed to pay more than corruption, but it is opposite in Nigeria, that corruption is paying. We'll continue to say this. We'll continue to let Nigerians know what they are supposed to do. Stop clapping for people who are killing you. Stop clapping for your politicians who don't mean well for you. I mean, stop clapping for them. That was 2 days ago. Benjamin Kanu, the House of Rep member representing one of the constituency in Abia State, was found on a public, video saying that in 2027, that Abia State must be APC state. He don't know how it's going to happen. This is exact statement he made. I don't know how it's going to happen, but Abia State is going to become an APC state. He said he told Ernest Oti privately and publicly about this, that he can't be number 6 man and his state is being ruled by another party. Serious? Seriously? And the people are keeping quiet. Now, today, there is whether a old Bender Professional Association, something like that. They came, they said they supported what Benjamin Kanu said, the power of money. They can buy anything they want to buy. They can buy the future of anyone. They can destroy the future of anyone. They trade with our money. What Benjamin Kanu is supposed to be talking about now is not 2027. It's unfortunate that he opened his mouth and began to speak about 2027. God is the owner of life, and he giveth it to anyone he wants to give to. Nature can deal with anyone at any time. You don't speak about 2027 when people are dying today. Benjamin Kanu left the insecurity in his state, insecurity in the whole country, as he claimed to be number 6 citizens of the country. How can a slave become number 6 citizens of the country? Tinubu cannot be number 1 citizen of the country. You people are slaves. You people are servants to the people. In a normal contextual sense, that is how it's supposed to be. Don't come out to tell us that you are number 6. You people should be abased, and citizens are supposed to be up. And that is why I'm telling my fellow Nigerians. These people cannot continue to deal with us and we keep quiet. We must know our rights. And even when we try to exercise our right, they kill us. We should not give up, because one day everybody will die. Everybody will leave the surface of the earth. Both the rich, both the poor, both the ugly, no matter whom you are not going to stay in this world forever. So, what I'm saying is that going to abroad to take treatment, sending your children to abroad, time is coming. Oh. Time is coming. People will track you. You go to abroad for treatment while you abandon hospitals in Nigeria, they will take you back. Remember what happened to this Imo senator who is in prison in the UK when he went to Germany to do New Year Festival. They chased him out. They wanted to beat him up. He was lucky that he was not beaten up. That is what is going to be happening to politicians, because you can't keep people in abject poverty. There is no excuse. What is going on in Nigeria is your fault. There is no excuse. Politicians at all levels, it is your fault. There is no excuse. You can't give the excuse that it's not your fault. So, when I saw the news, I said, oh, this one don't go again in US. No wonder Putin said that Nigeria or Africa is a graveyard. People will make money. They will go to Dubai to eat their money. Go to Europe, America, Canada, UK, Italy. They will build their houses there. Enjoy their vacations abroad. Do everything. But when they die, they will return them to the country and bury them. A graveyard. May God have mercy on us, because people are waking up, but so many people are sleeping. So many Nigerians are sleeping. And I am sick and tired of such people. Why are you sleeping when your house is on fire? Nigeria is on fire. Nigeria is sinking. It's better you get awake and watch how everything is going, so that you will be able to escape the next danger that is coming. You don't know who is next. As I speak to you today, I've received a lot of news of kidnapping, killings everywhere. Nigeria is not it. Nigeria is not it.